What if I told you that everything you are about to watch was never filmed in real life? No camera rolling, no actors performing, just powerful artificial intelligence create scenes so well. You have trouble believing they are fake. And that's exactly what makes it so terrifying. Today, you are about to see some of the most diabolical AI-generated videos ever, made from fake political speeches and staged disaster to strangely lifelike deepfakes of celebrity doing things they are never actually did. They are not just harmful internet pranks, they are powerful, dangerous, and shockingly convincing. But we won't just show you what's out there. I will also take you step by step through how anyone, even without editing skill, filmmaking experience, or fancy equipment can create those jaw-dropping videos using just a smartphone. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. And if you want to stay one step ahead of the AI revolution and learn how this technology is reshaping the world, you don't want to miss what's coming next. This is not a movie, it's AI. Let's start with a few examples that they have already gone viral. This deepfake video created by actor Jordan Peele in collaboration with BuzzFeed and Monkey Paw Production features a manipulated version of President Obama delivering a speech about aliens. The intent was to demonstrate the potential dangers of deepfake technology. In March 2023, an AI-generated image of Pope Francis wearing a white Balenciaga puffer jacket went viral on social media. It sparked significant discussion about the realism of AI-generated content. Even worse, a fabricated image purporting to show an explosion near the Pentagon went viral on social media platforms. The image was later identified as AI-generated, and authorities confirmed that no such explosion occurred. Despite its falsity, the image caused brief panic and led to a temporary dip in the stock market. Those are not just prank or harmless experiment, they are weaponized visuals that exploit how our mind works. We are hardwired to believe what we see, especially it looks like it was captured by a camera. But with tools like Pika Labs, Runway, Gen 3, and Sora by OpenAI, that trust is being shattered. Today, a teenager in the bedroom can create video content that looks like it came from a 50 million studio, and that's terrifying. The tools behind Diabolical AI videos. The big question is, so how are those videos being made? What tools are powering this airy realism? Let me introduce you to the 4 core platform that can turn anyone into an AI filmmaker. Pika Lab, a text-to-video generator. You type a scene and it creates it in motion. 11 Labs, a voice cloning tools that mimic tone, accent, and delivery with shocking accuracy. 8gen lets you create talking avatars from just a script, realistic facial expressions, voice syncing, and eye movement. CapCut or DaVinci Resolve for snitching everything together, adding effects, text, transition, and final edit. Those tools are being used by marketers, filmmakers, pranksters, scammers, and even news spoofers. What was once only possible in professional studio is now at your fingertips for free or with a small subscription. If you are finding this breakdown eye-opening so far, consistent subscribing. We make videos like this every week to help you stay ahead of emerging tech and media trends. Step by step how to create a diabolical AI video. Now, let me show you how someone can create a fake out realistic 15-second Warzone video using those tools. This will blow your mind. Step 1. Generate the visual using Pika Labs. Go to pika.art and log in. Tap this pump. Tap this pump. A futuristic battlefield under a blood-red sky, robotic soldiers marching in formation, massive explosion, flying surveillance drone overhead, cinematic camera angle, 4K resolution. Click generate. Within seconds, you see a fully animated video clip that looks like a scene from a dystopian blockbuster. Want a different feel? Just tweak the words. An abandoned city and ruins, one survivor limping down the street, smoke rising, silence everywhere. Each version feels unique and none of it is real. Step 2. Add a voiceover using 11 Labs. Head over to 11labs.io, enter your script. Pick a voice, deep, robotic, emotional, male, female, or even upload a short sample of your own to Clown. Click generate. Download the audio and you have got the perfect narration. Step 3. Add a fake news cutter using Agent optional. If you want to take it further, go to agent.com, paste your script, choose a presenter avatar, they have dozens, generate the video. In minutes, you have a realistic anchor delivering fake breaking news with perfect lip sync and high movement. This is exactly how some scammers fake celebrity endorsements and government announcements. Step number 4, edit it all together using CapCut. Open CapCut, desktop or app. Import the AI video, voiceover, and avatar clips. Add dramatic sound effects, camera shake, glitch effects, and on-screen warnings. You can even add fake breaking news banners or fake TikTok overlays to make it feel real. Then export the final cut. You now have a short film that looks well enough to fool thousands. Why this is so terrifying? Now think about this. Everything you just saw can be made in under an hour with no actors, no script writers, no budget. Imagine this power in the wrong hands. Political groups creating fake clips of the opponents, hackers facing news footage to manipulate stock markets, scammers create fake customer service videos or fake CEOs to trick employees, revenge deepfakes, false accusation, fake apologies. This is not an exaggeration, it's already happening. And the worst part, those tools are improving at lightning speed. Within a year or two, even trained professionals won't be able to tell what's real and what's AI. We are entering a new version of the internet, one where visual evidence is no longer proof, a world where you will have to question everything, every video, every voice, every story. And while those tools are fascinating, they are also dangerous if used without ethics or responsibility. So what do we do now? First, stay informed, understand those AI tools and how they work. Second, always fact-checking before you share. If something looks too shocking or unbelievable, it just might be fake. Third, educate others. If this video opened your eyes, share it. The more people who understand how AI video works, the harder it is for misinformation to spread. And if you want to experiment with those tools yourself ethically and creatively, all the links are in the description. We're not saying don't use AI, we are saying use it responsibly, because the future of truth depends on it. If you want to dive even deeper into how AI is revolutionizing entertainment and social media, check out our other video. This free unlimited image to video AI generator will blow your mind 100% free. Thanks for watching. Be smart, stay skeptical, and always verify before you believe. And I'll see you in the next content. Peace. Bye.